To find all of the display settings and adjust them in your OnePlus 13, first let's open a settings. It has a gear icon. When you open it, there will be a list of different settings, and we want to go and select a display and brightness with the sun icon next to it. Now we can adjust all of the settings inside. First one is a light mode and the dark mode. You can switch whichever one you like. For example, you can also schedule it to be activated for a specific time of a day, which I think is the best feature right here. I mean, maybe not the best feature right here, but for the dark and night mode. So I would go to set it in sunset to sunrise, which will set a light mode, for example, during the day, and dark mode during the night, not to hurt your eyes. Then we can adjust the brightness of our device and activate or deactivate auto brightness. I prefer to disable this option and just go with the brightness manually. There's a screen color mode, which I wouldn't actually touch, although you can switch between these three modes, but don't touch this wheel, as it will basically, as you can see, apply a color filter to your screen. So I'm just going to go with the default and then Pro Color right there. Next is the eye comfort and sleep. This is basically a blue light filter. So you can enter a bedtime mode, which will make your screen a bit orange, but your eyes will thank you for that during the night. And there's also eye comfort mode that you can enable to also make your eyes much easier on their job. And we also have the adaptive tone, which automatically adjusts the screen color temperature based on the ambient light conditions to ensure consistent screen colors in any environment. So let me disable those options, and I won't activate that as well, as I don't like that eye comfort mode. We can adjust the font style, size, and thickness right here, and we can also adjust the display size. Then there's the video enhancement engine, which allows you to activate image sharpener, which makes all of the video footages and images much sharper. And there's also video color boost. When activated, you can see the difference right here. I think it's worth enabling it. Auto rotate allows you to rotate your display to landscape or front view. Currently I have a front view, and in the landscape mode, if you flip your phone, it will rotate. Auto screen off allows you to manage time when your display will time out. So if you pick 30 minutes, for example, right here, if I would stop touching my phone after 30 minutes, it will lock down automatically. Screen attention allows you to bypass this. When the front camera detects your face looking at the phone, it will never lock down. Then there's the screen resolution. You can adjust it between different levels. If you prefer the video quality, I strongly recommend to go for high. If you want to preserve battery life, you can go for a standard right here or auto select. Next is screen refresh rate. Also, higher is better, so you can go for high, but it will consume much more battery. You can go for a standard, or if you just want to balance it, you can select auto select right there. And then honestly, it would be everything. There's also full screen for apps, which hides or reveals a panel on top, and that you can customize for certain apps if you select a customize app right there. So that is everything. Thanks so much for watching.